Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gifted Sat and I'm back with another video. So today is gonna be an unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video on my channel and I'm excited. So I got this package from Rosabeauty and I'm excited to open it. Let's see what's inside and what wig. Okay, I love the package. It's like really cute. You can use the box if you like, you know, want to restore your wigs or something. Anyways, let's get it out. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm dramatic. Okay, it's just a wig, girl. It's a wig. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, we got a blonde. I think it's 613 hair, a Deepwave. 613 Deepwave. Y'all know I love curly hair. So it's gonna be perfect. I'm so excited for this. Let's see. So when you open the package, you get, I think this is a bag. Let's see the bag. Oh. Yeah. So you get this cute bag. I think there are, let's see what's inside. Oh, you got some goodies inside. Oh, thank you. That's sweet. So you get like clips. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Yes. But I wish it was like brown. But yeah, we got comb. Oh, elastic band. What is this? Broken hair finish cream. Okay, you got a cream. Okay, tweezer. Okay, this is all the stuff you get. That's really cute. I like that. So let's get into the wig. Yo, I'm nervous. Like, I'm sweating and stuff. Whew. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Uno ready. Uno. Let's take it out. Mind you, this is my first unboxing video, so it's not gonna be perfect. So it's just showing you what the wig looks like. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Ah! Oh my God, I'm getting emotional. Oh my God. Y'all, look at the OMG. Oh my God, I cannot wait to slay this. I love the lace so far. Look at the lace. It's like a little pre-plucked. So that's a good thing. So if you're like a lazy person or you don't know how to, pluck, you don't know how to pluck your frontals and stuff, this is perfect for you. So the cap, I think the cap is perfect for me. I think if it's big, we gotta raise to, make it smaller. But oh my God, I really don't want to mess up the curls because they're so pretty, you guys. And this is a 20-inch. Ooh, how it's gonna look on me though. Y'all, I'm excited. Comment below if you want me to do a color or you want me to rock it like blonde. Like, comment down below. Please check out all the information about this here in my description box down below. I'm so excited to install it here. Please like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm excited, y'all. I can't wait to do the video how I'm gonna install it and get cute. Don't mind my face. I don't got any makeup on. I only did like lashes. I was so excited. I was like, I ain't doing makeup to come out here to do an unboxing. You feel me? So yeah, stay tuned for the install video. See you guys later in my next video. Bye.